What's in it?
Nothing, it's just a little
$50 bill in there.
I wish, right? What is going on, everybody? It's Jamie, and welcome to the channel Thiftonfire. This past Saturday, I got out and hit some yard sales. I had a lot of fun. It's kind of interesting because sometimes I'll pick things up that are outside of my comfort zone just because they're so cheap, and you can kind of look them up later. I'm not necessarily saying that's the best thing to do, just pick things up that you think look interesting. But, you know, you'll see me pick a few things up in this video that I probably wouldn't normally pick up, and then you'll see things that I pick up all the time, like video games and clothing items. But yeah, stick around, check this video out. How much are your jackets?
That one's $5. Some are $5 as well.
Yep.
Some are a little more ones.
Is this a youth, maybe? Or you're not sure, maybe. I don't know.
I don't think so because I wear it.
Is it? Oh, so maybe it's just a women's extra large? Yeah, it's cool anyway. Probably grab that. What about the ones hanging up there?
What do you want for the jacket and the jersey there?
I was asking 20 for the coat and a buck or two for the Stamkos one. It's in pretty rough shape.
Is it?
Yeah, it's not in the best shape.
Take a look at it. Oh yeah, it's got some.
Yeah, it's got some
color.
wear and tear too.
Yeah, it's.
The coat's brand new, but.
Yeah, I mean it's got It's got a couple spots on it, but $20 is still a pretty good deal regardless.
Yeah.
Cool, I'll grab that. I'll take a better look at the jersey too, but.
I braid my hair.
You want that chair?
Yes.
Oh, it's got the strap though.
Yeah, the
It's a
fight
good.
strap.
It's a good jersey. It's got some sun fading too, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, it's in really rough shape.
What do you want for it?
Oh, $2.
Oh, like okay, yeah, I'll take.
Yeah,
Yeah. That's fine.
It's not sellable pretty well is what I was thinking. So.
I'll see how much I can clean it up. So 20 for the coat, 5 for the other jackets. Cool. I might have.
So 27. Oh.
I have a toonie if that makes it easier for change.
So here, I'll take this for the coat.
Alright, there you go. She'll give you some change.
Yep.
That works out.
Cool. Thanks. Yeah, it's very nice.
Yeah, it's fairly new. Actually,
Thank you.
I bought that myself, that track in Michigan, when I was like probably 15, 16.
Oh yeah. What? How old do you think it is then? Oops.
Well, I'm 34 this year, so it's got to be almost 18, 20 years old.
Yeah, crazy. That doesn't surprise me.
Maybe, yeah, because I was within being 16, 17 at the oldest when I bought that.
Do you want the hangers back?
Oh, it don't matter. I'll take them if you don't want them.
Yeah, I got so many. I did see NASCAR trading cards over here too.
Yeah.
What do you want for those?
Buck or two for
I've got another loonie if that's cool.
Perfect.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, I'll grab them. Thank you. Morning.
It is.
The money cake.
I am for that. I know, I have so many, like,
Would you do 50 for the Wii?
It comes with everything. Everything you see there.
Yep. Yeah, I could do that.
Now, question is, are you able to carry it all? Because I don't have a bag for it.
I'll go back to my car and get it. I got an IKEA bag. I'll just throw it in that.
Oh, that's perfect. Yeah.
I'll grab you the $60. So. Awesome. Thank you. I'll be right back.
All right. This one, Mario Kart, also has another one in it too.
Yeah, I seen that.
Mario World or whatever. So
Yeah, Galaxy or something. Yeah. Cool.
grab all that.
Hopefully it'll slide right in the bottom here. It will. Perfect. Awesome. Thank you very much. Hopefully you guys stay cool over there in the shade.
Yeah, we'll try. Thank you very much.
Thanks. Lemonade, huh?
Yeah, for $1.
Alrighty. Do you have change?
No.
No? Okay, I do. I'll grab $1 just a second. You know what? It's a hot day. You can just have the $5. Is that a good deal or what? That's lots for me. Thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day. Do you know how much you want for any of your pins? So you got 2 separate bags here, but
How about $1 a bag?
okay.
Does that work?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay.
I'll keep looking around and then
Yep.
I'll settle up with you.
Yep.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
So I'm definitely interested in the way these lamps look. They're old. It looks like it's melt glass to me, but I honestly don't know a lot about this type of item. You know, I'm adding it to the video to see if you guys would pick things like this up. You know, I'm always interested to know, you know, I have no idea. I could have looked these up with Google Lens, spent some time. I just decided to leave them at the moment. I don't really need to be tripping over more breakable lamps, but I wanted to leave this in here. Let me know if you guys would pick these things up or what you know about them. I'm always interested to learn from you as well.
name. That is so you.
Yeah. Yeah, right? Look. What do you want for it?
$10 for everything.
Yeah, sure. Well, I might even have right change.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I had to go in there in a couple of years, but when I went there, it was the first time we went, it was huge. Yeah. Every year we've gone, it's been amazing. Oh, is it? You know, it's just one stuff.
Well, and there's everybody else is piggybacked off of that one, right? Like, when Port Roland has theirs, now,
I've been to that one yet.
who is it?
All right, so I guess I got your shirt here
Okay.
and this little ET thing.
Okay. You can have the ET thing. What's in it? Is
Nothing,
there
it's just a
$50
little...
bill in there?
I wish, right?
Somebody must have taken
And
it.
you can have hanger back. You can have a hanger back here too.
Oh, what are you doing? Oh,
$10, please.
nice.
Oh, is that $10? Okay. Oh, nice. Tie cap.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah. Too bad the team's not playing with it.
No, I know, eh?
Again. Like, I don't like their quarterback. I don't know why they signed him. Yeah, they just don't seem to be able to.
Yeah.
Oh, how much do I owe? $10?
Yep, no, that's good.
Oh,
Yep. Yep, she said I could have your little ET
Oh,
thing,
yeah.
so. My wife will be happy. She's a big ET fan, so. Yeah. Thank you. All right, so yeah, I don't normally pick up perfume. You know, that was one of the things I was talking about in the intro, and I don't normally pick up a lot of like lamps and things like that. I do pick up things like that potentially for the antique booth, or I have started, but you know, in the past, I really don't pick up lamps. The reason why that one interested me so much was because it was Disney, and I knew it was old. I thought like it's probably from the 90s anyway, and I was right. I think even though I can't find an exact sold comp, you know, I can see a couple on Worth Point, and I see a couple listed high. Mine doesn't have the lampshade, but items like that for me typically it's a no-brainer. Disney old collectible is going to sell. Those other lamps, those like the milk glass ones, I don't know anything about those. I could have looked them up on my phone with Google Lens or something like that. Potentially they could have been great items. Let me know down in the comments below what you think. If I should have possibly picked those up. I didn't even ask what they're worth. I just thought, you know what, I've got enough stuff right now. I don't need a box of breakable milk glass lamps in the corner somewhere. You know, soon maybe I'll pick things up. You know, when I get this space all together, this shed, I'll have some more space to store things like that. Right now, I'm sort of tripping over stuff until I get this area completed. If you guys like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content, and we'll see you soon.